Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to mass email customers on Shopify. This is an incredibly useful feature for reaching your entire customer base at once. Whether you're announcing a sale, sharing updates, or promoting new products, let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to shopify.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your Shopify homepage where you can manage your entire store. Now, look over to the left side of your screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. Click on Settings. This is your hub for configuring everything related to your store's operations and integrations. The settings area might take a moment to load, so just be patient as it pulls up all your configuration options. Once you're in the settings, look again to the left side where you'll see various setting categories. Click on Apps, then click Shopify App Store. This will open up the entire marketplace where you can find tools and integrations to enhance your store's functionality. The App Store contains thousands of options, but we're looking for something specific today. In the search bar at the top of the App Store, type Shopify Emails. From the search results, find and click on Shopify Messaging. This is Shopify's official tool for creating and sending email campaigns directly to your customers, and it's built to integrate seamlessly with your store. Once you've opened the Shopify messaging page, click Install. This will redirect you to a new tab where the app needs to request access to some of your personal and store data. This is completely normal and necessary for the app to function properly. Go ahead and click Install again to confirm and grant the necessary permissions. Now, you'll need to wait until the installation is complete. Sometimes this process takes a bit of time depending on your store's size and internet connection, so don't worry if it doesn't happen instantly. Just let it finish loading in the background. Once the installation is done, click Create Campaign. This is where the real work begins. You'll be presented with various email templates designed for different purposes, from promotional announcements to product launches. Select a template that fits your needs by clicking on it, then click Select to confirm your choice. Next, you'll see a field labeled to at the top of your email editor. Click on this field and select All Subscriber. This ensures your email will reach every customer who is subscribed to your mailing list, maximizing your reach and engagement. Now, you can edit your email to match your message and brand, customize the text, add images, adjust colors, and make it your own. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, click Review in the upper right corner. This will let you preview the final email and make any last-minute adjustments before sending it out to your customers. And that's it. You've successfully set up a mass email campaign on Shopify. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.